Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm going to be showing you how you can email customers from Shopify. Now there are a couple of ways that I'm about to mention in this video in just a few seconds about exactly how you can email customers from Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you every step on how you can email customers from Shopify. Now the first step, which is already inside your Shopify store, you just need to click on here. You want to click on settings and you want to click on notifications. Okay, now if you click on notifications here, as you can see, you will find here different as you can see, customer notifications, and here you will find what your customer is going to receive after they place an order. As you can see, sent when customer places an order. Now this is what they are going to receive. Thank you for your purchase. We are getting your order ready to be shipped. We will notify you when this has been sent. And you will find here the product name, and you will find the price, everything, also their address and the shipping method and the billing address. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and as you can see, they will also receive a draft order invoice. They will receive shipping confirmation sent when your mark an order as fulfilled. Now, to be more professional, I would highly suggest downloading this app, which is free. I always promote free apps on this channel. Okay, you just need to click on settings and apps and sales channels. You want to click on Shopify App Store, and you want to download this app. It's called Track 718. Okay, this is the name of the app. I already downloaded it. As you can see, it's called Track 718. Now this is the name of the app. Just scroll down and you will find it here. It's free. Okay, you don't have to pay for anything. Click on install. Now after you click, guys, on install, make sure you install it again, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is the homepage of the app. You want to click on mail service and email settings, and here you will find all different things. Also, even if your product in transit or arrives in the destination, these options are not offered by the Shopify, but by this app you can easily send an email when the product arrives in the destination, or in the pickup, like when the product is ready to be picked up, also undelivered. Okay, you can also toggle off any email you don't want to send to your customers. For example, if you don't want them to know that the product is undelivered, just close this. Delivered, you can also, and this is what they are going to see. I'm going to click on preview. Good news, the courier notified us that your package blah blah blah, it has been delivered, and here is the tracking number. So your customer will receive everything from this app. If you don't want, for example, the customer to not know if the product is in transit, like I said, you can just toggle this off here. Okay, you can customize this also. You can click on edit template, and you can edit the template if you don't like something here. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments, and see you guys in the next video.